morning. You like my narwhal hat? This is Mr. Thurman's hat. He had to wear this in Elf the Musical when he had to say, "Bye, buddy. I hope you find your dad." All right, go ahead and get your instruments out. We're going to skip ahead today. I think you're ready for it. I'd like to teach you a scale. So we're going to be on page 23 in your red book, line 83. So this is not only our lesson, it's also our warm-up. So we already know the first 6 notes. Today we're going to add notes 7 and 8. I want you to just listen to what the scale is going to sound like when we learn all the notes. Here's line 83. Just listen. Then there's something called an arpeggio. Here's the arpeggio. Sorry, my D sounded funny. Now there's something called the chords. You can pick the top note or the bottom note, or if you're on mallets, you can play both. So when you play the whole thing, that gives you line 83. So I'm going to go through each instrument and give you the new notes you need for this. Flutes, you need A and high B flat. So here's A. Thumb, 1, 2, and pinky. You also need high B flat. Thumb 1, 1 pinky. Flutes, I'm going to let you practice those while I go on to the clarinets. Clarinets, you don't have any new notes for this one, but you do have a weird scale. Yours is called a broken scale. It starts in the middle, it goes up, and then it goes way back down low to low G. So you do actually have a new note. Thumb, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's what you need for low G. Clarinets, listen to your scale. The arpeggio and the chords, just like the flutes. Clarinets, for your low G, thumb, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You're really gonna have to squeeze those fingers down, keep them nice and curved so you don't get air leaks. The more fingers you put down on your clarinet, the more likely you are to have air leaks. Okay, saxes, I don't have a saxophone at home. But you'll notice you have 2 new notes, your high F sharp and your high G. Keep that octave down for both of them, and they're just like the low version of that note. Trumpets, you have 2 new notes, high B and high C. You have I'm blowing my air so far down it's actually hitting my chin for high B. And there's high C, okay? Trombones, you have 2 notes. You've got high A, second position. And on your high A, you want about this much silver showing on your slide. High A, I'll play it again. And then you also have high B flat. High A and high B flat. Okay, let's see. Who am I missing? Oh, percussion. You also have, you're going to, see if you can see my xylophone set up here. It's now serving as a flute and a clarinet holder for right now. Percussion, you're going to be going all the way up from low B flat up to high B flat. Percussion, just watch. You have B flat, C, B flat, C. I'm sorry, Mrs. Thurman is not playing a C. That was a B. Here we go. Try it again. B flat, C, C, D, E flat, F, G. Then we have A, which is right next to G, and then high B flat, which is the top note of this three grouping. Listen to it again, percussion. Okay, there's your B flat scale on percussion. So clarinets, you're the only ones that have this broken scale. So I'm going to play with you. Everybody else play your own part. Line 23, I'm sorry, page 23, line 83. Page 23, line 83. This is such a common scale. We will actually do this one every day as a warm-up from here on out. Okay, here we go. Now we're on the arpeggio. Now we're on the chords. Now I want you to go back and play that about 3 more times so you really get those notes under your fingers. Keep working on the high notes, brass. We'll add those into our daily warm-up. So that's your lesson for the day. Here's your question of the day. Your question is, oh, wait for it. Oh, here's a good one. What's your favorite Christmas movie? Since I'm wearing my my narwhal hat from Elf, what's your favorite Christmas movie? Anything you want. All right, everybody, I'll see you tomorrow. Work on that scale. Page 23, line 83. See ya.